If you have a large obstacle course that has large step blocks on it that are wearing down and need to be replaced, our ladder climb blocks are a great solution for this. We have them in two sizes. We have 6-inch blocks and 4-inch blocks, and they're made out of a high density foam and 18-ounce vinyl so that they're very durable and they'll last you a really long time. You can pick the size and quantity depending on your needs, and we also have a video on our website showing you exactly how to use these and how to install them yourself by hand stitching them into the ladder climb blanket you already have. As I mentioned before, these are made out of a high density foam. So they're still made out of foam, but they aren't going to wear down, squish, and soften like pool noodle foam does that are typically found in ladder climb steps and rocks. If you, however, have a climb blanket that has a lot of blocks that need to be replaced, you can bring it into our facility and we'll replace the blocks for you on the blanket that you already have, or we can manufacture an entirely new blanket for you using a strong 18-ounce vinyl and the high-density foam blocks that we provide. You don't even have to bring the blanket to our facility. You can just send us the measurements, we'll give you a quote, and then we'll manufacture the blanket and send it to you. Regardless of what you choose, our materials are high quality, they're going to last you a long time, and we have all the information for them on our website.